Hello and welcome back again to my channel Susan Goat TV. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this hair with self-made twisted hair. I posted the hair and some people wrote and said they want to see how I made this hair. So the hair is here. If you want to know how I finally made this easy and beautiful hair, just watch this video till the end. So I can say this hair is the easiest hair I've made in my channel this year. It's very easy to install and I don't need much weaving. The only part I need is just, I think, about 3 lines of hair I just need to weave. So first I'm going to cut out this front. This is the part where I'm going to weave. Then I'm going to start cutting the hair the way I'm going to hold it. So I'll cut this side, then cut another one out and cut the other side out. I'm going to be doing the both side cream cross. So after parting the hair, I will use China jam to kind of bring the hair together. Yeah, but I really don't like this China jam I'm using. I can't just wait to finish this particular one, so I'll be using the yellow color. This one I don't like it. Not that it's not working fine, but when you take it the way it is, I really don't like it. So this is how I'm going to do it. I just pack it and use rubber band to hold it to do the king's cross. So this is how I'm going to do just only one line. After this one I'm doing now, the other line I'm going to weave. The reason I did that is to just make it like follow up with the line, to just give it another look.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down,
So now I am done with this part. So I'm going to just add a little China jam to smoothen the front of the hair. Then I'll just weave it. So this is the only weaving I'm going to be doing on this hair, like in this other side. So because the both other side I didn't weave it, so it's only here and the front of it I'm going to weave. So this has nothing to do with like the hair, or the hair will, if it's too much or too little. I just decided to give it a little style, so that is why I decided to weave it here. If I wanted to pack the hair it will still be good, it will still come out perfect, but I decided to just like, okay, give it one line there. So this is how I'm going to continue until the hair is done. If you watched it this time, that means you are enjoying the video. Thank you so much and for your support. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Why not subscribe? Click that subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. In this our channel, what we do is all about hair. Okay, how to hair growth, how to make it hair and adult hair. So to our returning subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. We do appreciate your support. God bless you all, both my new and my old subscribers. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and tell us what you think in the comment section. Okay, and if you also have idea of hair you want us to do, just let me know and we do it. You know, I have 3 girls that have amazing hair, and creating hairstyle is like making different hairstyle for them is my priority. It makes them happy and it gives me joy, see them happy about what I'm doing for them. You know, like I always said, they are the one choosing, like, this is what they want to do. I do the style they choose for me, and also the color of the hair they choose is what I always make for them, as long as I have that color at home. So that is why you see we don't use the same color, because when they choose the same color and they choose the color they want, you make it for them. It gives them joy, make them happy, make them like they want to know how they will really look on this hair. Like this choice they made for themselves, they really want to see how they look. So that is why I always like give them chance to choose, no matter what. We might be their mother, but they also have what they like. So now I'm done with all the weaving. So like, you know, I'm joining some together, then just like do them one. I hope I'm explaining it well, guys. Just see the way I'm doing it, follow my hands, and once I'm done, I'm done weaving it like this. So I'm gonna just use rubber band to hold all the hair together. So when I do it 1, 2, 3, the third one, I will just fold the tip of the hair along with it. So this is how it's going to be. And now I'm going to weave these front 3. You know, I said I was going to make just 4 lines. So these 3 lines will be invisible. It's only that one that will be visible, because I'm going to cover this front part. So this hair, we don't need much needle. Just see how it goes, like how I install it. It's so easy. So now I am done with the weaving. I'm going to use crochet pin to hide that one to it. So in case you're wondering why didn't I use rubber band to hold it along with it, you know, she's a child. I don't want to do too much holding or packing that will make her feel pain, you know, because when kids, they are feeling pain while making their hair, it makes them want to run, like, I don't want to make my hair anymore. Okay, so that is why I didn't pack that one along with it. So this is how I just want to do it, and I'm glad it worked out perfectly. So this is the hair. So please, if you want to see the full video of this hair, just check my channel, it is right there. So this is how I created the hair I'm going to use for her right now. And yeah, just see the video. So now I am done. So watch the other video on how I finished this hair. You will like it, and making it is so perfect. So the thread that I use on this hair, I didn't cut it out. The thread is very strong. Like, I bought the thread on Amazon. It's very strong. So I fold the thread into 4, and I just use the thread, pass it under her hair, then tie it. Guys, this is just so simple. So I just take the other side and pack it. But what I did, you know, when I was making the hair, I made this short one in the middle. So I removed this one side, and I sew it. I put it in another thread again, because I'm going to put this back twice. So after I finish tying this first part, which is what I'm doing right now, so after I finish tying this first part, then I will now bring another one to add to it. because you know when I'm making this part now, what I'm making right now, you can still see her natural hair there. So after tying it right now like this, because the front is already ready, so I'll just cut out the thread, then take the other one. So this one is not much. The one I fixed first was more than the one I'm putting on top of it now. So put it in a place where it will cover where I was seeing the hair before. So you see, you cannot see her hair anymore, but there's still a little space there which I will use. That is the area I need needle. So I will just tie it right now. See, she's already feeling like, because like this is what she just wants. She's already seeing herself like a princess that she is. So now we are done. This is the needle. So I'm going to just take three strands of hair, fold them, join them together in that middle there. That is it. I use thread, that same thread to just how do I say, to tack it, okay, to attach it to the to that hair that I packed. So it is so simple, no pain, stress free, like, and the style is amazing. This hair got a lot of people talking, like when she went to school. It's so amazing, guys. So if you have not tried this hair, it's very good. You know how to do it, because like when I take out this her hair now, I'm still going to keep it. I'm still going to use this, you know, it's wool. So and it's not it doesn't get hold on time. So I'm still going to use this hairstyle I'm still going to use this particular twisting for a lot of hairstyles. So making hair like this, you know, because I don't need to go and buy, just make it like this, is so nice and I love it. So I will still be doing more of it with different color and different style. So I hope you guys stay tuned and stay connected to this channel, because we got a lot cooking. Thank you so much, guys. So this is the result. This is the end of this video. This is how the hair looks afterwards. So guys, so what do you think? Do you like the hair? So this is the end. Thanks for watching. Bye.